Hey everyone, welcome to the Little Blue Skiff. I'm here at Lake Fairview in Orlando. Been here a couple times and I was just checking it out again. Water level's up, so it should be good. Thanks for joining. Another pan of the lake. It's a good sailing lake. I go sailing here as well, but you can get a good view of the new dock here at Lake Fairview Marina. And in the distance there's a playground with brand new bathrooms, which is good, and then a nice clean shore. Could really clean this up. Sticking it out again. Just a pan of the dock area where I launched. A nice brand new dock and everything, which is really cool. Yeah, this canopy is really much better than the other one. I had a blue canopy you might see in another picture I'll put up, but it was too high, and so I wasn't really getting as much shade. This will allow me to stay out a little bit longer and you know, having a more enjoyable time instead of getting blazed in the sun. Today, but it's a beautiful day in Florida. This is the view where we came from. I'll go ahead and time lapse the shoreline for you. So it's a beautiful lake, Lake Fairview. It's a little shallow with the weeds, but very navigatable. A couple reasons I wanted to come out here today was to check out the new dock. Also to see the water level. I've been here before, and the weeds pretty much came to the surface. It looks like with the higher level, they cleaned it out a little bit. It's much nicer. And then the third reason is I bought this new canopy, and I wanted to check it out on a sunny day. And like I said before, it does provide a lot more shade than my canopy I had originally, which was too high. If you like this content, I'd appreciate it if you went and checked out my other videos. I have many videos of the Little Blue Skiff on the St. Johns River, intracoastal waterway, and other lakes. Please check them out. And also the Hunky Dory, my 17-foot sailboat. It's just in the testing phase right now. So you'll get to see me construct it and initial tests, capsizing it. I'll probably be bringing it to Lake Fairview soon after I get the initial testing done, because this is a beautiful sailing lake. She is coming out of the water. You can see I got some weeds wrapped around the skeg and the engine, but generally okay. Thanks for joining. Take care.